Welcome to Sector Spotlight, Local Manufacturing. Today, we're diving into the heart of our communities, local manufacturing. You'll often find small factory floors bustling with workers using basic tools, but also stacks of unsold products. This brings us to a crucial question. Why don't small factories scale? Local manufacturers are the backbone of our communities, but too often, they're left behind by technology. Let's explore the core problem many of these businesses face. Owners often struggle with overwhelming paperwork, disconnected supply chains, and limited market access. The primary challenge is clear: a severe lack of market-ready digital tools. Without access to these essential tools, small manufacturers face significant barriers to growth and innovation. This is where Go Get Friends steps in, offering a robust response to these challenges. We provide digital dashboards for production tracking, implement efficient voucher systems, and establish SME hubs for collaboration. This comprehensive approach delivers tailored support specifically designed for small and medium-sized enterprises. Go Get Friends is actively changing the landscape, empowering local industry with the technology they need to thrive. In conclusion, our mission is clear and impactful. Imagine thriving small factories, supported by happy, efficient teams. That's the future we're building. Join us in scaling local industry. Visit gogetfriends.com to learn more. When local manufacturers scale, communities thrive. Be part of the movement and help us make a difference.